We had a hot and productive summer, but the gardening season is over. It's autumn time. It's time for cleanup and possibly time to move on. Join me here for a tour, an update, here on Channel 1, where we grow, cook and share. Warm welcome. Today is Sunday. I think it is the middle of October. And as you've noticed, almost no more flowers. It's the end of the gardening season and possibly the end of our time here in this plot, because I have an update to make. I have an announcement to make. Those of you who have been watching our cooking and gardening series, this scene has been very familiar. We usually cook here, and sometimes we cook inside. It's locked, I'll show you later. But we will soon be saying goodbye to this location because we have an upgrade. We have just acquired a bigger lot there. And I'll give you a tour of the area. And I will share you the plans. And this is where we usually cook. I think we'll be retaining this kitchen, but we'll do more of the gardening at the other side, the new location. Some of these furnitures, these cabinets, we'll have to move, I think. And cameraman, do you want this sofa to stay here?
Yes.
Okay, this will stay here. This cabinet, this tool cabinet will have to move as well. But I think this wing, this tool room has to be transferred to the new location. I'll show you the future site. Here it is. With the forest on the background. It will be something like this. Cabin with the forest on the background. Isn't that romantic? This is a feel that I want to attain. Or something like this. Or this. Yeah, it's my dream location because we have the forest at the back. That's what we call the barrowed landscape. So I'll be gardening here, and at the back is the forest. Idyllic scene. But the biggest challenge is this. This has to be broken. There is an existing cabin. I'll show you what's inside. Look, there is a full kitchen. Imagine that. There is a full kitchen. I think I'd like to inherit this. There's a full kitchen and a cabinetry here. And there's even a towel, existing towel. You know, the owner of this just died. True. That's why it has become available. And I'm taking it over, but this has to be torn down. This is a plan. The pavements here, all this, will be moved here. And I will build a greenhouse. And next to the greenhouse, of course, will be here on this side. The house will be a shed or a cabin. These trees have to go. Perhaps to be transplanted there. Quite a big challenge. That's why it's very intimidating. What do you think? Should I move my house from there, next to my man and Grace, and move it here? Or keep that and build a new house here or a new cabin? But it's a bit costly. Not just a bit, it's really costly. It costs a fortune. But I can't afford to leave my man and Grace. We need this scene, Manang, may kanraman namon. We will miss that. Instead, Manang, may katoy na luton. And she would come from that side to here to taste our cooking. But I look forward to growing more vegetables here and more tropical crops, especially ampalaya, eggplants and everything here. And perhaps there, my chayotes. We don't know. Lots of prospects in this area. That's why I hope you share my excitement. I have no stress just thinking about what will happen with this cabin and all the building that will happen. I think it's time for lunch. Let's go back to our old shed or to our old cabin. My Manong Grace is here waiting. There's a tool room. I think we can reuse this. Look what's inside. I can still use this. To be honest, I can reuse the materials. But the co-owner says he wants half of the material. So thank you for joining me here today and sharing the life and journey of this garden. I hope to see you on the next video and on our upcoming events and videos as we develop the other side. Thank you. I'd like to leave you with our possibly last flower harvest this season as arranged and offered. Again, thank you.